Hey, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the 89 Sabers Aniflex. That's right, so this guy, in case you didn't know, is made out of solid brass and it's chrome plated, so it is built like a tank. And the best part is that it can actually, be opened up really easily, so you can get access to your kill switch and recharge port and the soundboard. It's also got a 3-watt 4-ohm bass speaker, so this thing is very loud. And to turn the Saber on, you just twist your kill key.
This whole operation was your idea.
The Saber is a Proffi 2.2 with NeoPixel configuration. It also has gesture controls, so just to demonstrate that real quick, I set it so it's stab on and twist off. So for stabbing, it's actually easier to just jerk it down hard. Oh, well, see? And then to turn it off, just twist forward and backwards. The blade plug is held in by the blade retention screw, and in order to get that out, you just use the Allen wrench, which is supplied to you, and you stick it right there. So loosen that, dump your blade plug, and then this Saber comes with a 7/8 blade. So this is a Sabers pixel stick with stock quick connects. It's a mouthful. And then tighten the blade down and you're good to go. So let's see this thing rock and roll. Also music. Alright, so that pretty much covers the Saber. If you go one more font,
battery level.
It gives you your battery level of the actual battery charge, and then it also comes with its own music. So the Order 66 theme. So everything's themed for Anakin, and if there's any additional fonts that you actually want after purchasing the Saber, they can be added. So just let me know. Obviously you have to pay for them. So anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. It's really great to be able to present Sabers that are commissioned or that I just am able to put up for sale. So that's going to just help me keep doing that. Like and subscribe. May the Force be with you. See you next time.